and welcome to Mad Labs. And we are your Mad Labs friends Betsy and
Nisha.
This is our first video in this series, and today we have a beautiful experiment for you. Interesting, colorful and simple. So are you all ready? So let's get started. Nisha, what's this experiment we are going to do today?
Betsy, today we are going to do a very nice experiment. It's all about chromatography.
Chromatography?
Yes.
What's chromatography?
It's a technique which involves the separation of pigments.
Oh.
Yeah, and today we are going to try that out with a tissue paper.
A tissue paper?
Yes.
Wow. So let's begin the experiment.
Yes.
For the experiment, we need a small glass tumbler with little water, a pencil for support, and a sketch pen with a water-soluble ink in it. Let's begin. To begin with, we'll use a tissue paper and fold it into a thin strip. Let's see how it's being done. So Nisha's folding the tissue paper into a very thin rectangular strip.
Is it done, Betsy?
Yeah, that's great. And now we'll use a pencil to support it. So we'll roll the tissue paper onto the pencil so that the tissue paper stays stiff. And try folding it to half of the length of the tissue paper. Yeah, there you go. Now, using your sketch pen, preferably black color, spot on the tissue paper 1 inch above the edge of the tissue paper. It will look something like this. See, the spot is approximately 1 inch above the edge of the tissue paper. And now we dip this tissue paper setup into this water container. And make sure you don't soak the tissue paper all in the water.
Let's do it carefully.
Yes. So there it goes.
Yes.
And once you've placed the tissue paper into water, make sure you leave it undisturbed. So we'll wait for some time to see what happens next. Nisha, what do you observe now?
I see different colors, Betsy.
Different colors. Which are the different colors that you see?
I see blue, I see purple, black, brown and as well as pink.
But Nisha, if you remember, we had put a spot of a black ink.
Yes.
So from where did these colors appear?
I know, Betsy. Black is a combination of different colors.
Yes, that's right. Black is a combination of the 7 colors of the rainbow. And that's how when water traveled up the tissue paper, it separated into various colors at different levels. This is chromatography.
Can you see the different colors? Orange, blue, pink, green as well as yellow.
Wow, it looks so beautiful.
Betsy, seeing this experiment, I am reminded of another experiment too.
Yeah, and what is that?
With the same principle, I think we'll also be able to demonstrate the capillary action of the roots.
Wow! And would you do that for us, Nisha?
Sure, Betsy. For that, we will need a glass of water. This is the food color. I'm adding this food color to the water. Isn't it the color nice, right?
Wow, it's very nice.
Yes. Now, this water is compared to the soil. Soil which has water. This tissue, can you fold it for me?
Sure. You remember how we folded it for chromatography? The very same way. So the tissue paper is folded into a thin rectangular sheet.
Now this tissue is now compared to the root of the plant. And what is this?
This is the water in the soil.
Yes. So the root inside the soil. Can you see what's happening?
Oh yeah, I see the colored water rising up the tissue paper.
Very good, Betsy. This is the way how the water from the soil rises in the root.
Wow, this is information.
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh yes, Now I know how water is transported up the roots in plants. Hope you enjoyed this video with us in Math Labs. In the next videos, we have much more exciting experiments for you. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.